This short video guides you through the steps to delete and/or restore a job in Okappy, ensuring a smooth and efficient management of your tasks. To delete a job, navigate to the Jobs section where you'll find your list of current jobs. Click the three dots next to the relevant job and select Delete Jobs. To restore the job, go to Reports. Choose the Deleted Jobs report, enter a date range and click Generate Report. Find your job and click Details. Once in the job details, you can duplicate the job by clicking the Copy Job button. Check the details, and then click Add Job. This will create a job with the same details as the deleted job.